lesson offers to consider extension of the sitting level position of seiza. Not only do you start to tell the difference between the standard and readiness seiza positions, but you also improve your weight management for the movement skills development in Shikko, the knee walk. As you remember, seiza readiness position is not obligatory to transfer to the standing position, but it is necessary for the knee walk. You stand on your toes first and then you move in Shikko. Toes application is necessary for any type of Shikko movement. Remember that putting weight on your knees is never appropriate. You would minimize your balance and mobility. Instead, you develop a habit of putting more weight on your heels. You need practice to develop this habit. Consider your pelvis movement for absorption and balance while you move.